Distinguished guests from India and all around the world. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Namaskar and thank you for joining us in this sacred ceremony. At this moment, I'm overwhelmed with emotions, joy, gratitude and deep devotion as I watch these two pieces of my heart, Anand and Radhika, unite in this eternal bond. In Hindu tradition, marriage is a solemn promise, not just for this lifetime, but for 7 lifetimes. Saat Janam Ka Saath. It's a belief that souls destined to find each other do so again and again, their love deepening with each lifetime. As we continue with the Vivah Sanskar, the wedding ceremony, we are about to witness